Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Electronic Travel Authorization, or the ETA, to the United Kingdom using the official ETA app. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the official UK ETA app. Make sure if you're filing for someone else that they are physically with you. You will need your passport, credit card, or debit card, and an active email address. Once you've downloaded the app and have all your information ready, open the app and follow the instructions. The ETA lasts you 2 years and you can travel in the UK for up to 6 months. It costs €10, which is about $13 US. Enter your email address, put in the 6-digit code sent to your email. You'll be asked to put in your phone number. I use the same email address for every family member, but different phone numbers for the 2 adults. Answer the biometric question and proceed to take a picture of your passport. Grant access to your camera to take the picture page of your passport. You will then be asked to access the chip in your passport. Know that you will need to remove any cases on your passport and your phone. I had to do this 3 times, and even with that, I was unable to get it to work. The instructions was to put the top of the phone halfway down on your passport. After several attempts, I was eventually asked to skip this step altogether. Once you skip this section, you'll be asked to confirm your passport details. Make sure you pay close attention to the MRZ number. The MRZ number is the 2 lines of letters, symbols, and numbers at the bottom of your personal detail page of your passport. Next, you will be asked to scan your face. Make sure that you're able to put your face in the oval, and it will instruct you on what to do next. Once your face is successfully scanned, you'll be asked to take a selfie photograph. You will be given several tries to take this picture. Follow the instructions carefully on the lighting required and the background required for this picture. Once your picture is accepted, you will then be required to put in your home address. And then your nationality. If you have any other nationality, this will be the best time to put that information in. You'll be asked to include your job and any other criminal record or history. You confirm all the details of your application and also state that you're not giving any false information. You then proceed to the payment. Fortunately, you're able to use Apple Pay, or you can use your debit card. Once completed, you will get an email confirming your application. We were able to get our application approved within 30 minutes for all 4 members of our family. For more tips like this, follow us at Tribe4Venture.